Hello, good morning. It's Wednesday the 18th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So we had CPI inflation data out this morning and the headline inflation is reported at 9% for April. That's a 40-year high and it's up from 7% in March. Employment data for April came out yesterday. That was stronger than expected. The unemployment rate is now 3.7%, which is the lowest since 1974. Basic wages grew by 4.2% and that jumped to 7% when bonuses are included. So should we be aware of wage inflation? Well, not exactly. Real pay, including bonuses, rose by just 1.4% and basic pay actually fell. So that should take the pressure off for a little while longer. Brexit is back in the headlines. New laws dealing with the Northern Ireland Protocol were set out in Parliament yesterday. The new bill proposes some changes to the legislation that are aimed to make it more workable in real life. But Brussels has already committed to doing everything in its power to combat the new law, so I suppose we can expect this one to drag on a little while longer once again. In the market, sterling climbed back to 125 against the dollar yesterday as the dollar continues to correct, and we open around 118.50 against the euro this morning. Over in the US, retail sales data for April came out at 0.9%. That was down from 1.4% in March, but still confirmed that Q2 started pretty positively. Atlanta Fed President James Bullard was on yesterday. He believes that the Fed should continue with 50 basis point rate hikes because he believes the US economy will continue to grow at a rate that surprises the markets. Powell was also on later in the day yesterday. He said that he expects a softish landing for the US economy as interest rates returned to neutral, but he did warn that some further pain for the economy may be in store as the Fed grapples with inflation, which is at 40-year highs right now. In the market, the dollar index continues to correct slightly after testing the 105 level. Improvements in risk appetite saw that touch a low of 103.25 yesterday, and euro dollar opens this morning at 105.35. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.